Thank you and a very good evening to all of you. First of all, extreme thanks to all the organizers of Lakme Fashion Week over the last 8 odd seasons. And as I gather, I think this is one of the most iconic events that happen across the country. And people across the country and from around the world actually keep looking forward to this particular week in the calendar of Indian system. Towards that, let me, for some of the uninitiated, let me just go back a little and introduce you to the brand called Himalayan. As you see out here, as I hear so many people out here, the thirst for more, the thirst for doing more, bringing more to the consumers is never quenched. And that's where the play of a brand like Himalayan comes into the fore. We Indians, as you all are very familiar with, we have a particular kind of a taste profile, and we can compromise on various things even at the cost of health, but we can't compromise on our taste buds. Just to familiarize you with what Himalayan actually does is, being the source as Himalayas, where all the organic minerals are there, this is a brand which actually takes in all the naturalness from its ecosystem, and that's what is presented to each one of its consumers in its most untouched, pristine format till the last drop. As we all know, there is an immense amount of growing awareness and affinity towards health, natural, as well as something which is organic today. In the repertoire of brands that we deal with in Nourishco, Himalayan happens to be seated at the top end of the bracket, which absolutely addresses to the most relevant of the needs today in terms of natural as well as a healthy option for whatever we want to drink. We have been associated with Lakme Fashion Week for a few years now, and it's really great to be back out here. Let me promise to you that this is going to be bigger and better this year. Why do I say so? Number one, we are going to be associated this year with the designer duo of Shantanu and Nikhil, who are out there. So a big round of applause for Shantanu and Nikhil. The second bit is we are extending it a little bit further. What we have done is, when we want any of our brands like Lakme Fashion Week and most of the designers out here who are aspiring to bring fashion to more accessible levels, similarly we aim at bringing Himalayan as a brand to a higher degree of accessibility. And that's where the role of another art icon comes into play. What we are doing is we are associating with another artist of repute, Brinda Miller, so much.
With Lakme Fashion Week as their official knowledge partner. To encourage and promote the upcoming Gen Next designers, this is the third consecutive season of INIFD to present the Gen Next show of Lakme Fashion Week, the premium platform for all the budding designers. 2 decades into the realm of education, we feel it's a great step to integrate education and information to the Fashion Weeks. We look at playing a pivotal role in the partnership to bring in resources that shall help the industry grow, and at the same time, we are aiming to enhance the education experience at INIFD by being part of Lakme Fashion Winter Festive 2014. To focus on interior design programs, INIFD has launched this year the INIFD Academy of Interiors, mentored by Bollywood star and celebrity interior designer Twinkle Khanna, and supported by other international brands like Durovit, Hello Kitty, and CIA International. The journey of INIFD at Lakme Fashion Week has been a pleasant one from its first leg of association, with designer Masaba Gupta winning the INIFD Most Promising Designer Awards. Our student designers, Shubham, Kavita, Asaboy, Manoj Kumar, Vinod Bhardwaj, Sukhwant, and Astha, and of course Sabah Khan, have displayed their collections at Lakme Fashion Week. Hundreds of INIFT students have got a chance to be a core member of the implementation team in the process of dealing with designers and buyers. In also hundreds of garments designed by our INIFT students have been displayed at an exclusive INIFT stall at The Source. INIFT is the world's largest network of fashion learning center and is imparting knowledge and building careers of nearly 20,000 students across the country every year. We progressed from national to international by opening centers across the continent with IMB Milan as our strategic international partner. Our association with Lakme Fashion Week stands for the true cause of fashion and the future of Indian design and the bright new young talent of this country.
We, our Nakshatra group, we are into manufacturing. We have around 1,000 workforce of all the manufacturing like machine embroideries and now. We have come up with our brand, Nakashi, for last 2 years. And right now, we are doing really good. It's all about ethnic wear and something really peppy for today's women. We have associated right now with Vikram Fadnis, who will be launching his collection. And the purpose is to get a class for a mass. And it's going to be an exciting show. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Answer to you is that we are doing this show with best of our intentions. Every season we present international designers. So we've got Naeem Khan from America, we got Moy from UK, we are showcasing Australian designers also. And there was an opportunity to showcase designers from Pakistan. And as I said, that we have extraordinary talent in both the countries, and I think it'll be an amazing show. So I do not see any trouble for this show right now.
And when we signed Karina for Lakme, I think it was about two years ago. So that's the time when we did the finale and launched Absolute. And right after 2 years, we're doing Absolute Gloss. So it isn't that much time. And I'm right now shooting a song with her for Singham too. And so I've been working with her, yeah. So it's just 2 years. Is that good?
Every month.
Sorry? 3 years, yeah. No, I mean, that's because, in terms of the Lakme platform, it's 3 years, but I'm quite associated with her quite closely.
Hello, Manish. Over here. My name is Shania, and you've always been one of my favorite designers.
Thank you.
I would love to know how you're planning to, add gloss to your collection. How you're planning to incorporate with gloss in your collection.
Well, I thought I was always accused of being too glossy. So that's nice to hear. Thank you. I think we've just finished an entire bridal show recently in Delhi, and which was a lot of gold, and it's a lot of for the bride, But this show, for me, is different. I mean, different being the most abused word in fashion, and but in terms of it's not bridal per se, but yet it is winter festive. It's about a bride who I said is very modern, so she's not necessarily going in for gold, but she's choosing gloss, which is more texture, which is actually an international trend as well. And we are trying to interpret it in my kind of language, which is very Indian. And I think it should be a kind of trend for the winter festive season. I think I think it should become a very popular trend, which is staying away from gold and too much of ornate, and it's got more style and more shine and texture.
Looking forward to what you have for us.
Thank you.
you.
Can I now request the designers to please join the sponsors for a photo op? Can I request the designers to please step on stage?
ये हर बार आप कैसे कर लेते हैं? ये ट्रिक कहाँ से, मतलब ये जो इतना कंपटीशन हर बार बढ़ता है, लेकिन हर बार ये कैसे आपको ये राज है?
वेल राज तो आप ऑर्गेनाइजर से पूछिए, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक अपने करियर में 24 इयर्स हो गए किसी हीरोइन को फ़ोन नहीं किया, किसी डायरेक्टर को फ़ोन नहीं किया, ना किसी स्पॉन्सर या फैशन वीक को फ़ोन किया है कि मुझे ज़रूर बुलाइए। बट आई थिंक कि मैं मेहनत बहुत करता हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि हर शो मेरा पहला शो है। बल्कि इनफैक्ट अभी जब मैं दिल्ली में था मेरा शो था, आई फेल इन स्ट्रेस की वजह से। तो आई थिंक एक वो भी होता है हाउ मच यू लव योर वर्क।
मनीष, क्या चीज़ है जो आपको इतना इंस्पायर करती है, मोटिवेट करती है इस तरह से? क्योंकि हर बार जो नया टैलेंट आता है उनसे आपको कॉम्पीट करना है। मार्केट में लोग तो है, लेकिन जो नया भी आता है उनसे भी आप कॉम्पीट कर रहे हैं, तो वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपको इतना इंस्पायर?
वेल आई थिंक दैट मेरे लिए आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस साउंड्स, बट इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी सुबह जब मैं उठता हूँ मैं ये नहीं सोचता हूँ कि दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं, ओ माय गॉड बहुत से यंगस्टर्स आ गए हैं, या मैं उनका काम देखूँ या मैं ऐसे करूँ, वो सब मैं आई वेक अप टू बीइंग बिजी टू डूइंग व्हाट आई वांट टू डू। एंड आई थिंक मैं लकी हूँ कि मैं उस प्रोफेशन में हूँ जो मुझे बहुत बेहद पसंद है।
अच्छा मनीष, आपके नाम के साथ एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी होता है कि हाँ मनीष मल्होत्रा मतलब ट्रस्ट है। तो ये जो ट्रस्ट आपने ओवर द ईयर बिल्ड किया है, कभी ऐसा एक मौका आया होगा कि यार ये चीज़, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए?
वो ट्रस्ट कभी कभी बहुत और टेंशन भी देता है, बट आई थिंक दैट व्हेन यू लव समथिंग दैट यू डू and you're lucky that you wake up in the morning to go and do something that you love to do, and I find myself blessed.
मनीष, इस बार क्या नया होगा?
Well, the thing is, the collection is called Gloss. I think 3 years ago we launched the Absolute collection with Kareena, जब पहली बार वो Lakme के brand ambassador बनी थी, and this time it's Absolute Gloss. Gloss has been एक बहुत ही international trend रहा है इस बार। Texture, lots of fabric में जो एक gloss है, और उसे एक विंटर फेस्टिव इंडियन कलेक्शन में इंटरप्रेट करना। एम्ब्रॉयडरीज आर लेस, लाइक मैंने कहा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे भी, देयर इज नो गोल्ड एम्ब्रॉयडरी, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी इंटरेस्टिंगली लेड आउट एज अ कलेक्शन, एंड इट्स मॉडर्न मगर येट इट्स गॉट माई एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन कलेक्शन।
मनीष ये हम लोग स्पेशल कर रहे हैं मानसून से जुड़ा हुआ है। मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए आप क्या करें?
मैं मॉनसून में फिट रखने के लिए, मैं तो अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ इतने स्ट्रेसेस के साथ, और काम और दिल्ली और मुंबई उन सब के साथ। तो वेल फिट रखने के लिए यू हैव टू वर्क आउट, बट ऑल्सो एंजॉय द बॉम्बे रेन्स। वेल करीना के साथ इट्स अ सॉन्ग विद हनी सिंह एंड अजय देवगन एंड करीना। इट्स अ प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग and it's going to be launched on the 1st of August. And Kareena, in fact आज ही सुबह करीना और मैं डिस्कस कर रहे थे जब लोग लैक्मे फैशन वीक की बात कर रहे थे और फिनाले के बारे में। I was telling her कि it's been she said my God I've been working for 15 years. I said you've been working for 15 years, next year I'll complete 25 years in the film industry and 10 years to my label, and my association with Lakme will also be 14-year-old. So it's a journey that you go on with, and you know that's what it is.
एक ईद की विश कर दो, चांद दिख गया है।
चांद दिख गया है, चांद मुबारक हो और सबको ईद बहुत मुबारक हो।
इस बार जो खास होने वाला है आप शो के लिए रुकिए, बट कलेक्शन का नाम है इंडिया मॉडर्न, एंड फॉर मी द म्यूज इज अ वेरी मॉडर्न इंडियन वुमन, एंड इट्स अ बिट ऑफ ब्राइडल वेयर, इवनिंग वेयर।
अनीता जी, हर बार कंपटीशन बढ़ता है और हर बार कुछ नया करना होता है जी, तो ये दोनों चीज़ें एक साथ कैसे मैनेज करते हैं?
आई थिंक we look forward to Lakme Fashion Week because कुछ नया करने के लिए मौका मिलता है, so I definitely look forward to it.
क्या जो क्लोथिंग आप दे रहे हैं उसमें क्या खास बात है, यूनिकनेस क्या है?
It's completely new collection. It's called India Modern. It's completely new. I think it's beautiful.
एक ईद की विश कर दीजिए।
क्या?
ईद की विश।
ईद की विश, ईद मुबारक सभी को। शुक्रिया।
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं हिमालयन क्वीन से इंस्पायर्ड है ये कलेक्शन। कुच्योर है, पॉलिश्ड कुच्योर, थोड़ा रिफाइंड, सटल है। इंडिया के मोमेंट्स है इसमें, क्योंकि हम हिमालयन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं इस शो में, तो जो आपको दिखने को मिलेगा वो प्रिस्टीन, प्योर और एक फेयर्सनेस दिखेगी जो कि बहुत मेजेस्टिक है। तो सिलुएट्स, कलर पैलेट काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मोनोक्रोमेटिक है, ग्रेज, ब्लैक्स, क्रीम्स और कुछ रेड्स देखने को मिलेंगे।
अच्छा, एक कंपटीशन होता है हर बार कि हमें भीड़ से अलग दिखना है, हमें भीड़ का हिस्सा नहीं बनना है, तो उस चीज़ के लिए कैसे टैकल करते हैं, क्या प्लानिंग क्या होता है?
क्योंकि हम मॉडर्न और कंटेम्प्रेरी कपड़े बनाते हैं तो हम भीड़ से एक्चुअली पहले ही अलग हो चुके होते हैं, और मॉडर्न कंटेम्प्रेरी को थोड़ा रिफाइनमेंट दिया जाए, उसमें थोड़ी सी प्योरिटी डाली जाए, तो शांतनु निखिल अपने आप में एक अलग ही ब्रांड है।
चांद दिख गया तो ईद मुबारक।